Hello everybody, this is pillartrading.com, and in today's chart of the day we are going to be going over light sweet crude oil futures. Currently we are looking at a weekly chart trading 77.69. Now what we've got drawn up here is this massive short off of highs to lows. You can see we've been waiting on this for quite some time. That's going to be 90 even is going to be that level, which we are going to see massive short selling from long-term bears on crude oil. We are not up there yet. What we are in is this range. We've been in it for quite some time. Off of highs, swing highs from 87 even down to lows at 67 even. That's that range that we're in. And what was setting up, if we go down to the daily chart, we'll be able to see it a little bit clearer. What was setting up is we had a short opportunity off of these 76.90s, and that was setting up with a target right back down at double bottom lows and at the bottom of our range. What is now looking like a higher probability is we bounced off of, on this daily chart, we bounced off of this support area, and we are now in double top highs with the area that sold off in that selling zone. And if this breaks above, we're going to see a vacuum of orders up to 79.50. That's that target on the daily long. That leads us right back up into these highs up here at 83. But if we can break past 78.30, we're going to see covering up into that target, and then we're going to see profit taking from the longs on this midterm trade. Now, keeping in mind this target above us and keeping in mind this double top highs that they've sold off into, let's take a look at the 15-minute chart and see exactly how this thing is playing out on that. We've got a couple, if we zoom out to the 20-day 15-minute chart, it's a little bit easier to see. This is that big move on the daily chart, okay? We initially had a war between the bulls buying 74.30s and the bears selling off of 76.70 area, okay? You see it once, twice after the initial sell-off, bouncing back and forth, waiting for a break in this range. We talked about it in the last video. And the last move to the downside we had setting up was off of 74.90s. That breaks down. That was going to be the move that broke us out of the long. Well, that didn't happen, okay? We never broke out of the support area. We broke up from there. The next move to the upside was respected at this 75.50 area. And now we have just hit a target at 78.13. Okay, we came up, broke out of the shorts, came up, saw this move respected at 75.50s, and we moved up to the target at 78.13. Now, what that means is we can take this off, and we are likely to see, if the market continues to be this technical, we are likely to see profit taking on these short-term trades from 75.50s into the next move. And it's the next move that is going to be interesting, because this next move, which currently, if the market high stays at 78.13 on the swing, this move will be at 76.84. And what's interesting about that is the target is at 78.73, breaking that setup, breaking that short setup. Okay, 78.30 is that area we're going to be watching for a break and then covering into our target, which the target on the daily, again, is just up above at 79.50. So a couple of interesting moves, a couple of very playable options today should we get a pullback into 76.85, 76.80, that area. If we get a pullback in price to that area, it's going to be very interesting to see how it plays out. So guys, that's the play on crude oil today. If you've got any questions on this chart or any of the other ones that we do at pillartrading.com, please stop by the website. Leave us a question, leave us a comment. We try to get to those as soon as we can. If not, hopefully everyone has a good trading day, and I will see you all in the next video.